Well, let's now go to our other top story from Nakuru County, where 9 students from Utumishi Girls Senior School appeared before the Naivasha law courts today over their alleged involvement in the dormitory fire that claimed the lives of 16 students. The Directorate of Criminal Investigations sought to detain the students for 30 days to complete investigations into the tragedy. Their lawyers, however, opposed the application, with the court expected to rule on the matter on Wednesday afternoon. Ken Gashui tells us more.
Security was heightened at the Naivasha law courts as 9 Utumishi Girls Senior School students accused of orchestrating the deadly dormitory fire were presented before court. Investigators believe the suspects were involved in the planning and execution of the fire that killed 16 students and left more than 80 others injured. Accompanied by officers from the Children's Department, the students who covered their faces took their positions in the dock as parents of the accused and survivors of the tragedy followed the proceedings. Through the prosecution, the Directorate of Criminal Investigation sought orders to detain the students for 30 days pending completion of investigations, saying they were yet to conclude recording statements from key witnesses, among them students who were released to their parents after the school was indefinitely closed.
I pray that this Honorable Court finds that the reasons we have advanced are compelling enough to warrant the detention of the respondents for a period of 30 days at the Nakuru Children's Remand Home for their own safety and security, and also to enable the investigators finalize on their investigations.
The investigators argued that several government agencies are involved in the probe and are yet to give conclusive investigative reports, and that there were indicators that the suspects could interfere with the investigations if released, and that their safety could not be guaranteed due to public anger over the incident.
Especially after the release of the CCTV footage of the incident going viral.
The defense, however, opposed the application, arguing that detaining minors before they are formally charged is unlawful and that the prosecution had failed to provide sufficient grounds for the continued detention.
The best interest of the child does not require any such pre-trial detention. The likelihood of interference in any investigation has not been disclosed whatsoever.
Secure witnesses, and they can't use that as a compelling reason to deny bond.
Chief Magistrate Ramadan Abdul Kadir ordered that the students remain in custody at Naivasha, Gilgil and Elementaita police stations until Wednesday, when the court will deliver its ruling on the application by the DCI.
Is there any objection to the council accessing the children? Let me get it from both the IO or the IO. Any objection from, or you first?
Thank you.
So you both have access. I'm actually going to put that on record.
Thank you.
Okay. So that now I'll deliver a ruling at 2 p.m. tomorrow.
It is a case where the court has to strike a balance on the rights of those who perished in the inferno and also the rights of those who have been arrested in relation to the suspected arson attack. Reporting for KTN from Naivasha, my name is Ken Gashuhi.